Lauren Green, and just want to tell you a little bit about the background to what got me involved with your great library here. I live about 30 minutes from here, but had done a couple of volunteer projects here over the years through my Bible study, so I always knew Vogel Alcove was here. But one night, we have a book club in our neighborhood, and a bunch of us were walking to the book club, and we started talking about how books have always been part of our life, just from childhood on up, and we've always just taken for granted that we had books in our homes. And I started thinking about Vogel Alcove and the people that you serve, that might be something that they don't have as much access to, don't have those books to take for granted just sitting around on bookshelves. And so I reached out to Heather to see if you all had a little free library. I'd seen these around the area, and she said that you did, in fact, but it was in disrepair and needed some help. And so scrounged up some resources with our book club and some physical resources with my son, and came down here a couple days and doing our best to kind of get it back to be functional again. So we're really excited about it, and we hope it gets lots and lots of use.